You're a different team. Play with the intensity of that bird on our hats, our helmets, and that middle of our field at school. You understand?
Yes, Coach.
You understand?
Yes, Coach.
It's a simple game, guys. It's running, hitting, tackling, and want it more than them. You gotta want it more than them. That's all. That's all. Go finish. Just go finish, man. Finish what you started. Finish what you started. You're here for a reason.
This is your last shot. Every single play, play with emotion. How physical you're going to be, how fast you're going to play. As fast as you've ever been in your whole life, as physical as you've ever been, and as tough.
Break it down.
I just want to say that it's been an honor these last 4 years, having everybody by my side. And for the upcoming Hoover football players, I mean, just play your heart out and enjoy every single moment of this because, you know, time never stops for anyone. And go Hoover!